black girls in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Perm ting braids got mini afro.
And you said there's pink black girls, not area code. These black girls need to be in the shows. Be on the runways, not just billboards. My hair looks a bit different today, so don't touch my hair.
Like new hair, who this old black. So as y'all can see, we picked up our dresser and one of our nightstands, and I also got this little squidgy thing. I don't know what it's called. It's for my shower. So yeah, very inexpensive. So we're gonna see how this goes. My boyfriend went to go get the car, and then we're gonna pack this up. Hey y'all, so today is move-in day, which as you can tell, I've already started. It's currently like, I don't even know what time it is, but I'm tired, I'm hot. It's like 96 degrees outside. Looking crusty and sweaty. So right now I'm just packing up the closet. Look at all of this. I gotta get this situated, get this all organized. I'm really trying to just get my closet organized first, then just slowly start working on everything. I don't know if I'm gonna chime back in. I don't really know when, because I'm going to be so busy, but yeah. So the last update that you guys saw, the last clip you guys saw, was that I was moving my IKEA dresser into the car, and that thing was super heavy. So that was yesterday, but today's a new day. We've already started moving and packing everything. So much for an empty apartment tour. That's not going to happen. So because today's just been so hectic, but yeah, so I guess I'll let you guys see the before of my beauty room / office. I have a lot to do, y'all, a lot. So yeah, I don't know how and when I'm going to have another update. I'm about to just finish doing this stuff, and maybe I can get some more footage later, but it's not gonna be guaranteed. So yeah, I'm about to get back to it, and yeah, I just wanted to update you guys. Whatchamacallit. Oh my god, this looks so good. And then this is my mocha. Let me taste. How it tastes? Good. This is my croissant sandwich. Got my drink. 2 times, you think? Oh, good. This is good. This is good. It is super hot outside today. How hot do you think it is right now? This drink, let me see. I give it an 8 out of 10. No, 8.5 out of 10, because my stomach is not hurting, and Starbucks drinks make my stomach hurt. And so far my stomach not hurting. What do you rate your drink, babe?
7.5, 8.
8, 7, 7.5, 8 out of 10. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I give it probably like a 7 just because I don't like cinnamon coffee. It has like cinnamon in it. I don't like cinnamon coffee. Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. So I think the last time you guys saw me, I was probably eating at that black owned coffee restaurant. Today is currently July 9th and it's about 1:30 p.m. I'm just now leaving the UPS store to ship some stuff off, some bags that I no longer want. And now I'm about to go to Hobby Lobby. I started on my beauty room, well, just like kind of putting the furniture like where I might want it to be. I still have quite a few stuff to do, so I'm about to just go to Hobby Lobby. I have a lot of stuff to do today. So we went to the post office or the UPS store. I have to go to Hobby Lobby. I have to go back to the old apartment, get a few things and clean up over there. I need to go to the nail salon like today because I'm really trying to get my nails done Monday and it's Saturday. And this new nail tech I'm going to, she doesn't work on other people's work or whatever. And I've been having these since my birthday. Look at this. It looks a mess. So since we're done like moving, I want to go get my nails done. I need to really get my toes done like ASAP. But that's on the list today. And just finishing up the new apartment really. So we're about to head to Hobby Lobby and I'll see you guys when I get there. Today I got some packages in the mail, so I'm just going to do a little unboxing with y'all. Excuse the little mess, but yeah, so open the packages with me. So this one already opened. Let's see what this is. I think I know what this is actually. So I got this little donut, this little balloon dog. He's so cute. So cute. The next thing I got was this little thing, flash drive. The next thing I got is this flash drive here. It's gonna come super handy for storage on my phone. It's this super cute book. I love it. I already got, let me show you guys the other book I got. So I have both of these books to go on my shelf. They're super cute. These are some of the other books that they have. As you can see, Chanel, Dior, Gucci, Prada. And I thought these were just going to be super cute. I'm going to end up buying some more of these. I don't really remember what's in this box. fake pampas to go in my vase. So these are the colors I got: light pink, white, and dark pink. But like I told y'all, I'm gonna add other colors to this beauty room, but these are the main colors. And these are super cute. So this looks like that. I love these. I think this is my vase, which if it is my my vase, vase, then it came earlier than expected. I ordered 2 vases, so this is probably just one. I'm still waiting on one more. And then for the rest of my vases, I'm going to do like I'm going to go to the thrift store and get some vases from there. This is such a cute vase. Oh, I love it. It's like a cute ceramic vase. As you can hear it. So it's just a cute pink ceramic vase. It's coming up way lighter on this camera. It's like way darker pink than how it's showing up on camera, but this is super cute. It's like a bubblegum pink in person.